Assalamu alaikum. I am Abu Bakr Idris. In this video, I will walk you through how I collect accident related data from Dawn News, one of the Pakistan leading news platforms. Our goal is to extract structured information like location, date, cause, and casualties of road accident, especially in weather sensitive areas like mountains region like Gilgit-Baltistan, Skardu, and Karakoram Highway. This data will later help us build machine learning model that predicts accident risk and support a public awareness dashboard for travel safety. In the first step of our project, we collect accident related news articles from Dawn News starting from January 1st, 2023 to up to the present date. The goal is to identify news report that may involve road accidents, weather disasters, and tourist related incidents, especially in northern Pakistan. We use a custom script that goes through each day's archive and filters article based on carefully selected keywords. The keywords are grouped into five categories: accident, casualties, disasters, vehicle, and tourism. We also include location names like Skardu, Hunza, and more. For every related articles, we extract and store four key details: title, date, link of the article, and a short summary. So let's start this and wait until it's done. So at the end, we got 6,173 articles related to keywords. Now we can do deep analysis on this. In the next step, we improve the quality of our dataset using semantic filtering powered by AI. Rather than relying on keywords, we used a language model that understands the meaning of text. We give the model a list of real example, actual incident related sentences involving crashes, flood, or tourist incidents. Each news article is compared with these examples and a similarity score is calculated. If the similarity is zero point 0.2 or higher, we consider it a relevant article. This helps us filter generic news and build a more accurate incident related dataset. In the next step, we extract the complete body of each article from dawn.com using its URL. We loop through every filtered article's link and fetch the full web page using Python request library. Then we use Beautiful Soup to parse HTML and extract all p tags which usually contains main article text. To make the data clean and analysis ready, we also remove ads, footer, and repeated branding from the content using regular expression. In the page contains embedding videos like YouTube links, we extract those as well. The result is a structured dataset that includes each article's full body text and any video link ready for the next phase of our pipeline. In step 4, we use a powerful language model Mistral 7B instructor to extract structured information from unstructured news articles. To make this process fast and more efficient, I divided the work among my team members. Each member ran the model on different portion of dataset using a start row and end row strategy. For every article, we pass the full text into Mistral model using a custom prompt. The model then returns a structured JSON output with fields like JSON location, casualties, count, and more. To further enrich the data, we also applied the entity recognition using Spacy. This helps us pull out the victim name and geographical locations. If the model fails to identify casualty numbers, we also use a fallback regulation expression to extract phrase like 3 killed and 5 injured directly from the article text. To ensure robustness, each chunk of parts data is saved separately every 50 row and any parts error are recorded in a separate file for reader review. This hybrid approach of LLM and NER give us rich set of structured insight of each article ready to be consolidated in next step. In step 5, we bring everything together into final dataset clean, consistent and ready for analysis. First, we merge all the 5 parts result files, each one containing structured fields like cause, location, and casualty counts. Next, we also combine all the error log files to keep track of which article failed during parsing. Each entry includes a unique ID that allows us to merge it back with the original metadata like article's title, link, and publication date. We then perform a join to link successfully parsed row with the original article metadata, producing a complete view of each record. From the resulting dataset, we retain only the most relevant column, including both the original new content and the newly extracted field like cause, weather condition, and casualty count. At this stage, we do not fill the missing values, we can handle them later according to the modeling strategy. At this, the final output is a clean and structured data set that bridges raw journalism, machine learning readable insights, perfect for dashboard predicting model or policy analysis.
이런 거 수용하겠습니다. sabit